Hello, children. Welcome to, I want to call this, early morning breakfast slash late night, hunger crunch. So, I'm Tyson. Well, thank you very much. I feel kind of spiffy. I said I look spiffy. Alright, what we got over on the grill is my own kind of concoction of what I had in the fridge. I actually had nothing, I thought. I was talking to my lady and I'm like, I have nothing on the grill here. But, oddly enough, I found some chicken of the sea. Chicken of the sea. And I know everybody's thinking too, light tuna in water. Yuck. But I jazzed it up. I, of course, did the mayo, the mustard, and then topped it off with actually some olives. Because that's what I had in the fridge. Because that's all I had in the fridge. Know what I'm saying? Alright. I thought this stuff had gone bad. I was sure that this thick-cut bacon had gone bad. Nope. I got another 17 more days. Beautiful thing. I hustle downstairs. I find Kennedy's lady shipping some bread. And there's just enough that wasn't completely getting shitty in the middle of it. So I hacked around it. Split it. I got about that much times 2. Cooked my bacon. Miraculously found some cheese. Same story with the bread with the cheese. Cut around the bad part. You got good cheese on the end, on the middle of that. I put all my bacon and all my cheese on 1/2 toastage. Got my tuna pate cooking. I just kind of shape into a patty and wait till it gets dry-ish. Or whatever it's going to do. I don't know what it's going to do because it's all I got. Oh, it's going to be delicious. Flip it. Oh, it's beautiful. We're getting it brown now. It's a good brown. Tap it. Little pepper. Little pepper. Lovely. And that. That's how you do that. Yeah, it's tuna from a can. Not quality shit. But we're gonna make a quality fucking sandwich. That's how we do it. Always quality. Alright, we're turning the heat up. That's all I got in the fridge, folks. That's what this is called. All I got in the fridge. It's called all I got in the fridge. Welcome back. This is all I got in the fridge. I like that. It's nice. It's got a ring to it. Now, I could have done something with this, but that shit would be out of control. See, I got a lot of crazy shit, but not a lot of big ingredients. I wanted to put some syrup on some shit. Make a sweet peanut butter and syrup salad. It'd be delicious. I would have to eat it myself. Chef tastes his own cooking. This is all I got in the fridge. Spice it. Let's say just a dash Rachel Ray. Rachel Ray. Rachel Ray. Pringle? Everybody's got fans. Everybody's got all those fucking